I've been inspired for so long, but it's so hard to write this song, 'cause I've been living every day, and I thank God that if I prayed, will you still be there for me, standing tall there like a tree? And if you got the time to waste, just relax and take a break. Come on and fly away with me. We are together, we are still free. So now clouds are in my sight, I close my eyes and see the light. When the time has come to ramble, had to rob, steal and gamble, and all that sinning's got me right back grinning with you. Yeah, now you don't hold me down, I just want to hang around, spread the word all over town. Where I'm found I won't be bound, could be anybody's guess. With these words I do confess, and I say it all night long, 'cause I know it can't be wrong. Come on and fly away with me. We are together, we are still free. Nothing more than life that's meant to live, so hold on tight. Never let go of your dreams, they might come true if you believe. And all that's living's got me right back grinning with you. Yeah, now every day is new, and yes, I have some time for you, the one I want to be around. Just relax and settle down. Come on and fly away with me. We are together, we are still free. This good living's got me right back